Hello everyone. So if you're facing the version of YouTube is out of date error, let's fix it together. So first of all, open up your Play Store, of course. Let's hit the search button at the bottom, and now let's hit the search tab. Let's search for YouTube. Great. Now let's hit search. There it is. So first of all, and it's quite obvious, let's press update and let's give it some time to be updated. So if you see any updates button, of course, right now you cannot really uninstall YouTube application. It became like an official built-in application. So give it some time to be installed, and let's try it out. Press open, and for me it worked. If it's still not working on your phone, let's keep up. So first of all, press uninstall. As you see, it doesn't delete it, but it uninstalls all of the updates. So press uninstall, and now simply press update once again. So let it redo the whole process. All right, we readied the YouTube application, gave it the fresh start. However, the problem still persists. Let's open up our settings. After that, locate your apps tab. There it is. Now in your apps tab, let's locate our YouTube. It should be at the bottom. Usually they use alphabetical order, so we're definitely not gonna miss it. There it is. So here, press force stop, confirm it truly by pressing OK, press storage, press clear cache, and now press clear data. Now let's open up our YouTube once again. Press got it. You may need to log in. Alright, I don't need to log in, and it should be working now. So I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.